Sir, kung Intel 13th Gen, kaya po ba low to mid gaming? iGPU build lang po muna, wala pa budget for graphics card. Sana mapansin mo, idol. Sakto, meron tayo ditong pre-built PC running Intel i3-13100 na may 4 cores, 8 threads, and Intel UHD 730 built-in graphics. Bundled with Asus Prime H610MK D4 with 16 gigs DDR4 Kingston Fury 3200 RAM, paired with 500 gigs NVMe Kingston NV3 at may kasamang Threadsonic Saturn case and PSU. This is mainly used as office PC. Gawin lang natin reference. You can always add the graphics card or go with an i5 13th Gen na may UHD 770 which is more powerful. But first, invest on a better power supply para safe. Links in the pinned comment if you're interested. Test natin. Tara!
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through? In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire.
Alright, that's it! I hope nakatulong po ulit itong video natin sa mga nagbabalak mag-build ng kanilang Intel budget PC. And as always, thank you po sa mga nanood at sa mga magsusubscribe. This is Jem of Bang Gizmos. Till the next one, ingat po!